My side hustle secret allowed me to make money by using Google for just 30 minutes. Using this method and the tool that I will show you in this video will help you earn stacks of cash. And depending how you go about it, you can make tons and tons of cash. With my steps, you can make something around $300 per hour. But before we begin, I welcome you to my channel where I teach you money making secrets. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on these secrets that I reveal by uploading these videos. Give my video a like as well, and yes, do comment if you have any questions or suggestions. I received my payment within 30 minutes using Google Translate. Though it will not be Google that will pay you, but the websites that I will mention in this video will. Google Translate will be your go-to tool for these websites. All this tool will do is hear everything and transcribe it into English. You can even test it out by saying something in English and it'll automatically transcribe it into another language. A lot of businesses are looking for transcribers and they're paying well to do so. But we will allow Google Translate to do all the work, and this tool is completely free. All your work will be done by Google. So moving on to the first website. As you can see, I've already mentioned the link below. It is gotranscript.com. The lowest paying website, but it is where we all start. They will pay you around $0.50 per minute. The average earning is around $150, but we can manage more by spending more time. You can achieve around $1,000 with the tool you will use. Again, there are high-paying websites, but this is where you can start and build yourself from. All you can do is press apply now and you can get the job. This is all you have to do to get started on gotranscript.com. You can work from home, get paid reliably. You get paid bi-weekly, which will be paid directly to your PayPal account. And I feel that this is better than having to work 9-to-5 jobs. Work flexible hours, work as long as you can, choose your project and start working. And of course, stay busy. Hey, if you like the video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Now, coming back to the video, let me show you the second website. It's called gmrtranscription.com. This one is higher paying. You can look into its founder's profile on LinkedIn. He says that the primary goal is to offer the highest customer satisfaction by offering accurate transcription and translation services. You can see that the big businesses often come here to get the services from this very website. What you will do is you will go up to the careers section. It will bring you to this careers page. It says our transcription services pay around $1,000 to $3,000. Imagine you're earning $3,000 from doing this and $1,000 from the other side, which equals something around about $4,000. Amazing, right? The last site that I will tell you pays even more. Anyways, click here to apply general transcription or Spanish transcription / translators. You don't need to speak Spanish, just use Google Translate to do the work for you. Scroll down, you will see that it does not require any fee, nor does it require any experience. You can work from home with the flexibility. Watch the transcriber's video and you will learn that she has made around $100 to $1,000 from this website. This is recommended by websites and with a lot of people enjoying their job. So go on ahead and apply now by clicking here and get started. The last site is a reputable site out there. That is rev.com. I've mentioned it below. You can go ahead and click it. And this is where I have gone to spend thousands on transcriptionists. Imagine if you knew you could be the one getting my work and I would have been paying you YouTube transcriptions for promo videos or videos for advertisements. they charge most because they have a quick service time. They have a bigger business coming to them and getting transcriptions. You can apply as a transcriptionist here. They charge $1.25 per minute, $1.25, and charge even more for foreign subtitles like $3 to $7 per minute. Just for instance, think of it like it's a 60 minutes video. So if you have something like for a foreign subtitle and it's 60 minutes, multiply that with 3, it's $180 within an hour. Or if it's $7, it can jump or double, go up to $360 or $420. Just think of it that way. It's huge and adds up exponentially. So go to careers. This will open the freelance jobs. Work from home with Reb. And you can do all this from home. And all you need is, of course, Google Translate to do the job for you. You can start work with your computer and even your cell phone. Work as much as you want to get weekly payouts. As you can see, transcriptionists earn around 0.30, that's 0.30 to $1 per minute. And captioner is paid $0.54, that is $0.54 to $1.10, which is $1.10 per minute. You can go ahead, scroll down, know a foreign subtitler who are paid $1.50 to $3 per minute. Check out the website. Well, you don't need to know any language, just letting you know. You need Google Translate, that's it. They have been featured in Forbes, Penny Hoarder, and Business Insider, making this Anyways, this is my side hustle secret, making extra cash. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the secrets of making money online. Because I have different tricks up my sleeve just for you. Anyways, hit the like button as well if you like the video, and don't forget to give us a comment or even a question or a suggestion, however you feel. And well, we're all ears. So I will see you next time on the next video.